we're going to talk about a channel that can earn you thousands of dollars. Yes, you heard that right. This channel is VIOTOONS. They have uploaded only 88 videos and already have 5.53 million subscribers, which is extremely high. If you check their views, you'll see that almost every video has millions of views. And yes, the channel is 100% monetized. Now I'll show you how to check all of this. First, copy the channel name or link, and then open YouTube Social Blade. After opening YouTube Social Blade, I paste the channel's name here. And as you can see, this channel is monetized. You can also check its estimated income, which is around 1.1k to 18k in the last 14 days, which is extremely high. You can easily create a similar channel and earn just like this. I will teach you the complete course for free. AI videos, AI voice, AI images, everything you need to start. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. All right, let's get started. First, you need to take a screenshot. If you don't take a screenshot, you can still work. Just open Snipping Tool, which you can find in Windows at the bottom search bar. Use the Snipping Tool to crop the image in one clean line, exactly the style of video or image you want. Snipping Tool is a very useful tool for cropping images. You can use it to crop the perfect section you need. After cropping the image, open ChatGPT and simply upload the image. Here, you will enter the prompt you want ChatGPT to generate. I want to create an AI image exactly like this. Please look at the character in the image I gave you and give me an image just like it. I want the same style, the same look. Also give me 8 image prompts and a story. After that, ChatGPT will create an AI image and prompt for you that looks exactly like the example you uploaded. It will generate the best possible prompt and style for you, just like that YouTube channel. If you want to increase the AI image prompt, you can do that too. If you want to extend the story, you can simply type, "Give 200-word story." ChatGPT will make the story longer. Now your prompts and story are ready. The next step is to create the AI images. After this, if you want to create AI images, you can use 2 websites. 1. Pixelman. 2. Leonardo.ai. Both of these websites are great for making AI images. You can easily generate high-quality images on them. But I will show you how to create AI images using Leonardo.ai because it is a very powerful and easy-to-use website for image generation. Leonardo.ai is a very good website for creating AI images. Open the website and set the size to 9.16. Then, in the model section, write Phoenix 1.0. Now paste your prompt. After a few seconds, the image will start generating. Keep pasting your prompts one by one. Once you paste all your prompts, you will see that the images are created, and they look amazing. This is how you can create AI images on Leonardo.ai. Just copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here one by one. When you find an image you like on Leonardo.ai, simply download it. Leonardo AI is a powerful and easy-to-use AI image generator that helps creators produce high-quality images from simple text prompts. It offers many artistic styles, including realistic portraits, fantasy art, anime, and product designs. Now the AI images are ready. You can see them. You can also create the same kind of AI images very easily. The images that were generated are really amazing and high quality. Next, we will create AI voice for free. There is a great tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. This is one of the best tools for generating AI voice, and you can use it for free. On unlimitedai.tools, you can also create free AI images, but right now, I'll show you how to generate AI voice for free. If you cannot find this tool, just comment, and I will share the link with you in the comments. Now, open the AI text-to-speech generator. Copy the ChatGPT story prompt and paste it into the text box. Choose any voice you like. There are many voices available. The best one is Blaze Alex, but to explain the process, you can select any voice. Click Generate. Remember, you can create up to 1,000 words of voice in one generation. If your story is longer than 1,000 words, divide it into 4 parts and generate the full voice step by step. Now the AI voice is ready. You can listen to it.
Soft, dramatic lighting, smooth, blocky textures, detailed facial expressions, glowing highlights on the face, realistic shadows, vibrant colors.
This is how you generate AI voice for free. Next, we will create the AI video. The first website is dgen.ai, which is an excellent and powerful platform for creating AI videos. This website gives you 300 free credits, which is enough to make around 10 videos. After that, it gives you daily credits so you can continue making AI videos easily. Right now, you can see that I have 4,700 plus credits in my account because I logged in regularly for many days. Because of that, I can create many videos on this website since I have collected a lot of credits. If you want to make more AI videos, then dgen.ai is a great website for you. The best part, even if you don't use it every day, it still gives you daily credits automatically, just like it does on my account. Now we will create an AI video on this website. This is a very good platform for making AI videos. Click on Create, then go to Upload and upload your first image. Paste the first prompt for that image and click Generate. The video will start processing. Then upload your second image and paste its prompt the same way. Click Generate and the second video will also begin creating. This website takes a little time to process, but it creates very good results. Using this method, you can create 2 combined videos here, and you can easily make a 10-15 minute AI video. The second website is Magic Sand AI, a powerful platform that gives you 500 starter credits, which is enough to create short videos or even 10-second clips. To use it, simply open the website and sign in with your Gmail account. You'll see 500 plus credits available. Click on New Project, then choose Upload to add your image. After that, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. The default video length is 3 seconds, but you can increase it to 10 seconds if you want a longer clip. Finally, click Generate, and your video will begin creating automatically. I have already made an amazing AI video, and it turned out really well. For editing my last video, I will use CapCut, which is a really great software. You can add your video here. CapCut is very good for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. Perfect for both beginners and professionals. I will edit my video here, add effects, and my video will be ready. You can watch it now. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions related to the video, send me a message or comment and I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will share another method. Thanks for watching.